Has your Opay card been misplaced or stolen and you're not sure what to do? I'm Kate, and in this video I will show you how to secure your funds. It's quite simple. Just quickly pick up your phone. If it is your card that has been stolen, pick up your phone. Make sure you're using the same mobile phone number you used to register for your Opay card. Then dial *955 *132# and send. And once you press the call button, your card would be locked, and that makes sure whoever has picked it will not be able to use it to access your funds. Now, if you find it later, and let's say it was actually misplaced, you can unlock it by dialing the same *955 *132#. That's all it takes. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. We put up helpful tips and tricks like this one every day. Thanks for watching.